Steps to connect a JDBC program. This is type 1. For type 1 driver I am meant to say. Okay na? First thing is, go to control panel. Okay na? Go to control panel, administrative tools. And see, these are the old drivers, 32-bit version. Okay na? Yesterday I have given one setup, right, to install. For MySQL, in the sense, by default drivers will not be there. Okay na? You need to install that. I have installed it. It has been installed over here. See, MySQL ODBC. This 3.51 driver has been installed into 32-bit ODBC. Before that, first thing what we have to do is, these are the DSNs which is already created. Let me check whether Swaroop DSN is available or not. Swaroop DSN, these are the previously created DSNs for someone else. Swaroop DSN though it is not available. Suppose if it is available, select it and remove it. Okay na? Because it should not clash with our database. First I will remove that, then I will create for mine. Anyway it is not there, so I don't want to delete any one of this. I will click add. Now I am connecting to MySQL database. So go to MySQL driver, finish. What is the data source name? Paste it, sorry, SWARUP. You need to be very careful with the spelling.
Is case sensitive?
Yes. And description no need. This also not needed. MySQL yesterday when you were installing, what is the port address? Check whether it is correct.
Okay.
Yes. What's the user ID?
Root.
Okay. What's the password?
Root.
Okay. Now select the database. Which is the database?
Swaroop. Oh, that MySQL.
What is the database
Sajid.
created?
Sajid.
Second.
Sorry.
Just now I have created second.
Oh, that one. Okay, fine.
Second. Test it. With that credentials, whether it is connecting or not, it will show. It is connecting, successful. Okay na? Then click OK. OK. Before clicking OK, one sec. Next. So we have created that particular DSN. Now cross check once whether the DSN is created or not.
Okay.
See, Swaroop. Go to configure and see the details are there.
Okay.
Everything is perfect. Test it once if you want. Successful. Okay. Okay. Close. So whatever the steps which I said now, creating a program, creating the database, creating the connection, all the three I have done.
Okay.
Now if I execute this program, it should show the details from that particular employee table. Right click, run as Java application. See, 1A, 12.3, 2B, 13.3, 3C, 14.3. If you need more formatting, you just give more space, you will get a better formatted result. Clear? Any doubts? So this is all about the first example of JDBC. Make it. So we have did how to retrieve the values from the table. Now we are going to see how to insert the values into the table. This portion I will remove. Okay, na? See, still here it is same. Here what we are doing st.execute update. st.execute update is applicable for insert, update, delete queries. In the table I have given. Instead of insert query, I will pass delete query, so delete will happen. Instead of that update query, update will happen. Insert into EMP values. I am trying to insert the values into EMP table. First column will take 10, second column Z, third column 199.5. Trying to insert, whereas this is character, so single quote is mandatory. How many rows I am inserting?
3.
1 rows, 3 columns. N will get the value 1. If N is equal to 1, record will be inserted. Run as Java application. Record inserted, it is showing. Go to this. Select. Start from EMP. See? 10Z 199.5. Clear? Any doubts? Make it out. Next one is how to drop the table. Okay, na? Whereas there will not be any return type for dropping the table, altering the table, truncating the table, this kind of stuffs and all. Now I'll drop the table. So there will not be any return type. Okay, what I have did, I have specified a drop table EMP. Table will be dropped. We won't get any return type for create, alter, next drop, truncate, 4 queries. So there is no return type, no message also. Let me execute the program. I will go for this. Select star from EMP. Table does not exist. Clear? Any doubts? Make it out. Now, suppose if I need to, let me create the table again. Create table EMP employee number int comma employee name care of 25 comma employee salary float. Okay. Run as Java application. Table is created. It is empty. Just now I have created the table now, but it is empty. Clear? Any doubts? Now we are going to see how to insert multiple insertions at a time. Previously we have seen how to insert one row at a time. Now multiple rows if I need to insert at a time. How to do that? We are going to see. That is called as batch updation. Otherwise batch insertion we can call it also. How to do batch updations we are going to see now. Clear? This if you want you can make a note of this.